So I'm wearing a hat actually, so I'm not completely, melting in the sun. Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're gonna be actually doing one of the final things to truly make Lazarus usable every day. Right now, one of the things that Lazarus is missing is air conditioning in South Florida. And to put in perspective how hot it's been lately, apparently something to do with the combination of humidity and the dew point and the temperature. Even though it was 98 outside yesterday, the Weather Channel actually said that in South Florida it feels like 114. But since it's registered and legal on the road, I can drive it. Problem is it has no air conditioning. So enough talk. What we're doing today is we're going to be installing her new compressor, a new dryer, and that should hopefully resolve the issues that we're having with the AC not working. Without further ado, I'm going to leave the camera recording and I'm going to get started and do the AC. It should be pretty straightforward. AC compressors, it's either down there or down there, but it's practically accessible without even jacking the car up. But we're still going to jack the car up so I can get a good view of what I'm doing. Alrighty. That might have something to do with the noise. It rusted so bad. Okay, I'm sorry about the fan, but between the heat and the mosquitoes, I can't turn it off. So this is where we're at. You can see that there's a pulley missing there. There's a cavity. That is where your AC compressor goes. And those lines that are hanging down there have to come off before the compressor can come out. If you don't take the lines off, you can't get the compressor out. So now I have to put the new O-rings back on so I can put the lines back on the compressor, put the compressor back in. That's what the AC compressor looks like when it comes out. All black and covered in crud. That's what it looks like new in its little packaging there. With the final bolt in, none of them was easy, but now this one's finally in. We can actually start the process of reassembling everything. I just have to do, yes, I'm doing a lot of like 2-click rotations. I feel like there's something on my head.
You're competing between your voice and the bird chirping. The one that was.
Now with this one, we can do the belt. Hold on, come on, almost. I'm getting, 3 clicks on the ratchet, so it's taking a while to get tight. Okay. I can put the new dryer on, and we can start putting everything back together. now with the car running, we're going to go ahead and recharge the AC system with Freon. Wifey's going to go ahead and jump inside and monitor the temperature coming out of the AC vents.
Yeah, but I forgot. There you go. I have 85.
So with it already being 85 degrees and as the temperature kept climbing, we knew something was wrong. Now the mechanical fan wasn't on at this point, but with two electrical fans, one of them should have kicked on, and it didn't take long for me to figure out why they weren't working. Oh, well that fan was never gonna move.
Why?
It's stuck. Look, this is me trying to turn the fan. It's jammed.
What is it jammed into?
I think it's just old.
The car?
Yep. See, the Japanese, right? They run long ass wires to the part that you actually need. The Germans take it with it however you want. Make sure that every part has a long ass cable attached to it. So this fan, it's rubbing against the ring. No, it's rubbing against its internals. He's trying.
No,
Over
I was
there.
talking about the fan.
Oh.
Pobrecito fan.
Pobrecito el fan. Don't tell me this one is shot too. We need both of them. Well, guys, unfortunately we've run into another problem where things just can't be finished on time. I don't have a screwdriver or anything to demonstrate with that one, but to give you an idea, this fan is shot. This fan, this is the AC fan. Now as you can see that the screwdriver fits through the grills, I can't turn it in either direction. So this one has completely seized. That was the AC fan, is shot. And the mechanical fan, if I didn't already show on camera, is missing two blades, and the clutch that controls it is shot. So miraculously, this car was not overheating, running only off of the mechanical fan. Why don't I just do everything with universal electrical fans? I thought about that. I'm gonna make the decision. I wanna use factory parts, maybe not genuine parts, because I don't feel like paying $500 for a fan, but at least factory OEM parts. So we've ordered a new clutch to go with our fan assembly, which is going to go back on the car for the mechanical fan. We've ordered a new AC fan, and we've ordered a new cooling fan. So effectively this project is on hold. Thank you guys for watching. Like if you like what we're doing. If you like seeing guy basically struggle to justify one of the most hated cars in social media and in the car world. You know, what can I say? Subscribe if you do want to see more of our content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss every time we do an upload. That's it for now. This is Crooked Mustache. Dale.